So this chapter number 4, reports in database, comprises of 4 main topics, that is sorting, filtering, reports in database, and the last topic, relationship. So today we'll try to complete sorting and filtering, and in the next class we will complete that reports in database and relationship. So
Sir, something has come that recording is in progress.
right. I'm recording this lecture for you guys so that you can revise and see the video of the lecture anytime. Okay? It
So,
will be
sir,
useful for you, right?
I will click, got it.
Sorry?
Sir,
No? Don't worry. Okay. So we'll start with the chapter. So before that, I want to explain few concepts for you guys. So whiteboard is visible to you, right?
Yes,
yes, sir.
Okay. So first topic is sorting. Sorting, in brief, it is ordered list. Ordered list. Maybe in ascending, maybe in descending. Ascending starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 for numbers, and for alphabets A, B, C, D, like this up to Z. Descending, just opposite to it. If I have something like from 0 to 9, so first 9 will come, 8, 7, dot 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 0, and then Z to A. Okay, so this is the concept of sorting. But what's the definition of sorting? How to define it? Sorting. Mute yourself, Neha. Sorting is the technique to fetch data in the desired order. In the desired order. So I'll take an example. Amit. Amit.
Yes, sir.
How dare you to scratch on my screen, whiteboard? Leave my class now. Okay. So if I have students, if I have few data with me, roll number, name of students, right? So if I have data, something like this, roll number 6, Snehalata, roll number 16, Ronit, roll number 7, Anurag, mute yourself, Risita,
Yes, sir.
Pri, Srishti. I have the student names like this in my register. Okay, but you can observe student while teachers give you the class test marks, they are in the ordered list in the ascending order of roll number. Why? Because it is easy to find the data of yours. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So it is good to have the data in some ordered list. So if I want to do it manually, these 4 students, So if I want to sort as per roll number, that too in ascending, So which data will come first? Obviously, roll number
Ma'am,
360.
sir, 360.
Then 6 Nehlata. Then 7 Risita. And then
Rishita. 16 Ronit.
Ronit. If we have few students like this, 4 students, 8 students, 10 students, it is easy to do it manually. It is very easy to do it manually. But student, if I have more number of data, if we have 5 to 10 records, in database we are telling records, right? If we are 5 to 10 records,
Yes, sir.
it is easy to do manually. But if we have 100, more than 100, more than 50, more than 20 data also, difficult to do it manually.
Yes, sir.
Difficult to do manually. So to resolve this issue, we have database. To resolve this issue, we have database. Okay. So now we will do it in database. How to filter a data in database. Oh, so I have one database of class 7B with me. In that table section, I have student data. I hope you can able to see this student table. In this student table, if I double click on it, all the records will get visible. I have one, two, three, four, five, 6 records are there. 6 records are there, but they are not in the sorted order of roll number. But I want to make a
So line wise roll number we have to do.
sorry, Arpit, what did you ask?
Sir, in roll number we have to do line wise.
Not line
Means
wise.
it is
Not line wise. Please wait, have patience. So I want the order to be currently we have roll number 1, 2, 3, 8, 14, 5. But I want it in as 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 14. So I will sort in ascending. But you might have a question that I will sort roll number column, sir. But what will happen to the corresponding data? Whether it will be sorted as per the roll number? So answer is yes, student. Yes, corresponding data will also be sorted or goes with the sorted list. means roll number 5 is related with Deepika. So it will shift to this place. So the name and all this detail will also shift to this position. Okay. It is not like that only roll number is sorting and others data are there only. No. These three data are actually linked with the roll number 5. So it will also be shifted. It will also be shifted. So
Sir, in the place of Maria, roll 5 would be there, then how it will be sorted?
wait, I'll tell you. We have three options over here, student. This is for sort in ascending. This is for sort in descending. And this is a kind of default sort. This is simple sort in ascending only. So I'll be using for sorting any data. First of all, I need to click on the header. If I click on the header, this field name, all the data corresponding to it are selected. Now I can click on sort ascending. You can observe the changes. Now roll number 14 is Mahira, which is at the last position. And it is as per the sorted order of ascending. Now again I will select, I'll make it as per descending order. 14 number is at the top with Mahira name. Correct? Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to sort as per the name. Means name starting with A will appear first, then B, then C, then D. Okay. So I'll select the field name and I will sort. I can observe that Aniket and Aniket starting with A and N, then the third character is I and the third character is K over here. So I comes first, that is why Aniket is at the top place. Then Aniket, Ankit, Deepika, Kavya, Mahira, Vijay. These are the sorted alphabetical order, right?
Okay, sir.
So I hope this is easy only and clear to you guys. Okay.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
I told you, student, that you have to click on this field name. There is another way to perform sorting. You can just click on any of the record. You can just click on the any of the record and you can sort it. It will also work. But the safe way is to do select the complete column, that is complete field name. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
this part is clear. Now we have next topic is with us, that is filtering. So what is actually filtering? As the name suggests, it is a technique. It is a technique to bifurcate data as per desired conditions, right? So as the name suggests, filtering is a technique to bifurcate data as per desired conditions. So what can be the desired conditions at in this database, student? I can give you a condition that I want data of those roll number between 1 and 5. So if I give this condition, which all data will be displayed, student? Roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3. roll number
1,
4.
2,
These four data will be displayed on the screen. Okay. Okay. Next one. If I give the condition data of roll number equal to 3, means I want to display the record of roll number 3 only. Snehata, please mute yourself. So these can be conditions, student. Other conditions can be, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students from class 7 and one Mahira from class 8. So I want to filter student of class 8. So Mahira name will be displayed over there. So this is the concept of filtering. We can relate with a real life example also, student. When my father goes to market to bring vegetables, he used to take carry bag with him. He purchased vegetable A, B, C, D, E in the carry bag. When he reaches home, my mother used to bifurcate these vegetables in different packets. She has packet number A for vegetable A. This is for B, C, D, E. So this is known as actually filtering. When you are bifurcating it, why we want to bifurcate it? To make our task easier. If all the vegetables are mixed at the time of cooking, how it can be done? Very difficult, right? If you have data mixed with 50 student of 7 and 50 student of 8, you want the data of class 7 in just few seconds. You want data of class 7 in just few seconds. How you can able to do? You can't do it manually, students. But with the filter option, you can do it just in few seconds. I will show you how. So I want to filter student, first case, roll number between 1 and 5. First one I will try. Okay. So you have a button over here, standard filter button. I will click on it. One dialog box will appear, standard filter. In the field name, which field name I want to filter? I want to filter roll number. So I will select here roll number. I have many conditions over here. Less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. So my requirement is I want the data in between 1 and 5. So first of all, I want greater than equal to. The data must be greater than equal to 1. And
Yes, sir.
the other condition will be my data must be less than equal to 5. Then only it can filter the data in between 1 and 5. Sorry, this is wrong, student. You must tell me, no? Okay, now it is correct. Less than equal to 5. I hope this is clear to you all. Very simple. Now I'll click on OK button. Now you can able to see, students, that only roll number between 1 to 5 are filtered now. Now I want to filter second condition. filter student of class 8. What I will do? I will select the field name as class, condition is equal to, and I will write here 8. Okay. Now you can able to see the student who is in class 8 is only getting displayed.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to remove the filter, this cross sign with filter, remove filter option is there, remove filter button is there. You can click on it. All the records will be visible to you. So I hope this sorting and filtering technique are clear to you. Is it clear, Isana?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.